background is fake. And then you might be confused, how did I get kind of realistic background? See as it's changing. All those backgrounds are fake. I basically used my smartphone and I make use of just 2 websites. So stick around in this video. In this video, I'm telling you how I got the realistic background and how I made it possible with the light. So let's go.
First, you go to your Chrome browser or any browser that is on your phone. So you search for freepik.com. Then when it loads finish, you are going to search for House Studio. That is me typing it. So when you finish typing House Studio, you click on the search icon. You don't need to sign up because signing up is not compulsory, it's optional. Then click on, then you search for it. After you search for it, then you see studios, see list of studios, see as they are printing. But you pick the one of your choice, the one that you like, the one that you feel is gonna be good for your video. That is the one I used to use. But the rest are still there. Still a lot of ones like that are similar to what I want. So I click on feel similar. It brought me to similar ones, but I don't do this one. The one I need is just the first one. Sorry, the second one. And I click and I download image. After we download the image, the next thing I to go make use of the image because not everybody get money for studio. Not like me, I don't get money for CapCut. Studio. Then what we head to our CapCut. After we open CapCut, click on new project. After new project, you search for the picture that we just downloaded in the download place. After clicking on download, the picture comes out. You expand it. After expanding, then you expand it to a proper to look like it's a real thing. You add overlay. When you click on overlay, you search for the video you want to use. Like for example, now I'm making use of this video. After clicking on the video you want to use, for example, that video then we expand it to be the perfect size of the screen, which is 16 by 9. After we do what, we look for the remove background icon, which is a pro version. But chill, if you cannot export a video because it's a pro version, wait, I will teach you how to export it because I've done a video like that. Then what? That is it. We have removed the background. So we're waiting for them to remove it because it's going to load. But if your problem is how would I remove because it's a pro version, chill, relax. I'm going to show you that because my video is going to pop up on the screen and show you how I did it. So then I split it. I split the video and I remove the background and add more background to it. I'm splitting it so that I can add more background. So that it's not just be a single background. I go to pictures because that's where I keep all my many backgrounds. Did you see where the many backgrounds is? The rain droplets and many more. This one's fire. So I add the ones I want to use right now, currently. Then I'm gonna go far away. Add it after we shrink it. So minimize, I say shrink. We minimize it, okay? Minimize. After we expand it, we're expanding it, minimizing and expanding. So it's kind of small for the screen. So we have to what? Go there and expand it so that it will fit the screen. Then we play the video.
Fake. And then you might be
now time to make it to have color. Go to effect, video effects, search on the first one. I'm going to put this trending one, so which is what? Which is blur first. So
background is fake.
But that blur is too much, we'll reduce it to the so that's it. 5. It's 5 then set, then go to the end of our video. So this one to the end of our video. So we'll match each other then. Delete. Then we'll go to video effect again, search for night club because we need the light to be showing.
Background is fake.
So we'll adjust it. But since the light is too much, we'll reduce the light so it won't look fake. Reduce the speed.
Background is fake. And then you might be confused, how did I get kind of realistic background? See as it's changing. All those backgrounds are fake. I basically used my smartphone and I make use of just 2.
Export it using the CapCut Pro feature. Go and watch the video.